This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power and connection type so pairing goes smoothly. If using Bluetooth, turn the keyboard on and watch its LED for discoverable mode. On the Imac, open Bluetooth settings and keep that pane in front. If wired, plug the keyboard into a working USB or USB-C port with an adapter if needed, and you'll see it respond immediately. Once done, the Imac will either list the keyboard under Devices, or the keyboard will be active as a standard input. You now make the actual connection and configure how keys behave. Select the keyboard in the Imac's Bluetooth list and click Connect. If a numeric code appears, type it on the keyboard and press Enter to confirm identity. Once paired, open keyboard settings to adjust repeat rate, modifier keys, and input source so keys match your layout. If the keyboard offers special function keys, enable or map them here. Make sure to give the system a moment to index the device and save preferences. Finish by verifying full functionality so you can work without interruptions. You should type in a simple document to confirm letters, numbers, and modifiers respond correctly. Test media and function keys too. If keys fail or lag, turn Bluetooth off and on or remove the keyboard from Devices and pair again. This often clears handshake errors. If problems persist, update Mac OS, reset Bluetooth modules, or restart the Imac. As a key troubleshooting tip, check batteries and interference sources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.